Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Propel, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Propel, first download the Propel app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email and after logging in, you'll see the main dashboard, which gives an overview of your finances. Next, connect your bank account by selecting the option to link an account. Follow the prompts to securely enter your bank details. Once connected, Propel will automatically import your transactions. Now, navigate to the budgeting section in the app. In the budgeting section, you can set monthly spending limits. Start by reviewing your income and fixed expenses. Add your fixed expenses, such as rent or utilities, by selecting the relevant categories. After entering your fixed expenses, allocate funds for discretionary spending categories like groceries or entertainment. Use the sliders or input fields to adjust your budget for each category. As you spend, update your remaining balance in each category. Propel will automatically track your spending against the budget you've set. If you exceed a category, Propel will alert you so you can make adjustments. Utilize the Insights feature to analyze your spending patterns. Review these insights regularly to make informed decisions for your budget. Finally, remember to revisit your budget monthly to stay on track with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.